Fried chicken time, guys. Now check this out. Such a gorgeous fried chicken. Oh. And I'm gonna teach you guys how to make it today. This is a fried chicken with fish sauce. Okay, so right here I have about 600 grams of chicken wings, about 1.25 pounds. And what I can do to make these wings marinate a little bit quicker is to just cut some slots into the meat on both sides, just a few. Just shallow cuts will be fine, not too deep, not into the bone. Cutting these little slits into the chicken ensures that the seasoning, like the fish sauce and the ground white pepper, gets into the meat. This is a good method if you're doing barbecues and you don't have a lot of time to marinate. Simple marinade, okay? The fish sauce.
It will be easy to find fish sauce today. There are many brands, like this bottle with a chef wearing a large prawn as a backpack. I highly recommend using the best brand of Thai fish sauce you can afford.
3 tablespoons of Thai fish sauce. 3 teaspoons of sugar. Sweeten it up a bit. You need some sugar, cut down on a little bit of that sharp taste of fish sauce. And you know, a little bit of sweet always makes food taste a little bit better. So this is 1/2 teaspoon of ground white pepper. So I'm just gonna mix this with my hand first. And fish sauce just really heightens the flavor of chicken.
And now we need ingredient to put the crisp into crispy fried chicken. I found shake and bake in Thailand. No, we're not getting this. I haven't seen this in ages, so it's amusing to see it in a Thai supermarket. For this recipe, we'll be using tempura flour. Tempura flour is a mix of wheat flour and tapioca starch.
This is 5 tablespoons tempura flour. Tapioca starch is a very popular flour or starch, and it provides a light, crispy crunch to fried chickens. And the wheat flour, of course, is to give it a little bit more of a substance. And we're gonna mix it until it gets really, really sticky, just like what you see there. That right there is about 3 tablespoons of water. It's supposed to be a runny type of fried batter, okay? When you make it wet like this, a wet batter, it's gonna coat the chicken completely. There, that's how the chicken should look. That is what you're looking for. That's gonna make a great fried chicken. All right, so this oil is almost ready for frying. You know how I can tell? You stick a chopstick down the center, and if it immediately fizzes like that, this oil is about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna start dropping in my chicken into the hot oil. Once you drop your chicken in, this is very important. Don't stir it around. Let that chicken build a crust before you even think about messing around with it. And this should take about 30 seconds to sort of start forming a crust on the outside. You can actually use any cut of chicken for this if you want. You can use a full quarter chicken. You can use from tip to drumstick. It doesn't matter. Fish sauce is an amazing ingredient for frying chicken. Okay, it's about 30 seconds, and you want to move it around because some chicken will cook faster than others because they're on the bottom of the pan like this one, see? Oh boy, I'm telling you, this is gonna be some awesome fried chicken. I can smell that fish sauce coming right through the chicken already. Man. All right, so it's been about 8 minutes, and check out my fried chicken. Look at that. It's nice, crispy on the outside. It's shrunk a little. All right, so this is how I know that my chicken is ready. Golden brown color. It's shrunk a little. The oil's starting to calm down. That's how I know that this chicken is almost ready. Fried chicken with fish sauce. So few ingredients, so easy to make at home. As you can see, quick, fast. As you remember, I always make deliveries. I take Bitcoins and Camels as payment. I will see you all in the next one.